Welcome you all. My topic is complex integration and problems on complex integration. We are familiar with integration over real variable. The path of integration from integral a to b f of x dx is always along the x-axis from x is equal to a to x is equal to b in real case. That is nothing but it is a independent of path. But in case of complex variable, the path of definite integral from a to b f of z dz may be along any curve joining the points z equals a and z equals b. Thus, generally the value of integral depends on path of integration. That is nothing but in complex variable, integral is always path dependent. Let's consider a function f of z equals u plus iv be a complex valued function defined over any region capital R and capital C be a curve in the region. Then we get integral over c f of z dz equals integral over c f of z is nothing but u plus iv, dz is nothing but dx plus I dy because z value is x plus iy. Hence, after multiplying these two complex terms, we get integral over c u dx minus v dy plus I times of integral over c v dx plus u dy. This portion is a integral on real variable. This portion is also a integral on real variable. Hence, the line integral of complex valued function is evaluation of line integral of real function. Now come to the one example. Evaluate integral over c z bar dz where c is given two line segment z equals 0 to 2, z equals 2i and then z equals 2i2, z equals 4 plus 2i. Z bar is nothing but x minus iy. Now come to the solution. Given two line segment z equals 0 to 2, z equals 2i and then z equals 2i to 2, z equals 4 plus 2i means our coordinates x comma y varies from 0 comma 0 to 0 comma 2 and then from 0 comma 2 to 4 comma 2 as shown in below figure. So observe C1 is first line segment 0 comma 0 to 0 comma 2 and C2 is the second line segment 0 comma 2 to 4 comma 2. Observe a first line segment x coordinate 0 0, that means x is constant and y is varies from 0 to 2. In second line segment x is varies from 0 to 4 and y is constant, that is equals to 2. Along C1, I consider first line segment along C1 x is 0 which implies that dx is 0 and y is varies from 0 to 2. Hence our integral along C1 is z bar is x minus iy, dz value is dx plus I dy. So substitute the value of x and dx, we get integral over c1 minus I into y into I into dy. On simplification, we integral from y equals 0 to 2 y into dy. On integration y square by 2 values from 0 to 2 which implies that 4 by 2 minus 0 is equals to 2. And second line segment along C2 y is equal to 2 which implies that dy equals 0 and x varies from 0 to 4. Hence integral over c z bar dz is equals to 0 comma 2 to 4 comma 2 x minus iy dx plus I dy is equals to integral from 0 to 4. Here I substitute the value of y in this. Our two variable is reduced to one variable integral. So x varies from 0 to 4. X minus y value is 2i into dx, because dy value is 0. On integration we get x square by 2 minus 2i times of x, integral limit value from 0 to 4. On applying the limit we get 16 by 2 minus 0 minus 2i times of 4 minus 0 is nothing but 8 minus 8i. Therefore, our complete integral value, integral over c z bar dz equals integral over c1 z bar dz plus integral over c2 z bar dz is equals to 2 plus 8 minus 8i is equals to 10 minus 8i is the a complete solution of the given problem. So one more problem. Evaluate integral over c x square minus iy square into dz along y equals 2x square from 1 comma 2 to 2 comma 8. Given curve is joining the points 1 comma 2 to 2 comma 8. The solution, given y equals 2x square, which implies that dy is equals to 4x into dx. Hence integral over c x square minus iy square dz equals integral from initial point 1 comma 2 to 2 comma 8 x square minus iy square dx plus I dy is nothing but I convert a double two variable function into single variable function. I substitute y is equal to 2x square and dy is equal to 4x into dx in this equation. I get integral from 1 to 2 x square minus I times of 4x to the power 4 dx plus I into 4x into dx. On simplification I get integral from 1 to 2 16x to the power 5 minus 4i x to the power 4 plus 4i x cube plus x square into dx. On integration I get 8x square by 3 minus 4i times of x to the power 5 by 5 plus 4i times of x to the power 4 plus x cube by 3, integral value from 1 to 2. On substitution of upper limit value and lower limit value, finally we get the value 511 divided by 3 minus 49i by 5. Thank you.